Cambridge Kayaks adjustable J-bar is the perfect solution to safely mount your kayak on the roof. Constructed of aluminium with rubber pads, it has an adjustable rear bar that can be changed angle to accommodate whichever kayak you're loading. It's easy to assemble and doesn't require any tools. It comes with a fitting plate, 2 screws and a strap to attach the kayak onto. It also comes with a paddle park to attach a paddle so you can carry that on the roof as well. When not in use, the J-bars can be folded flat in either direction. This makes it more aerodynamic and obviously going through height restrictions when you're in a car park. By using a J-bar, you also have the benefit that it frees up space on your roof bars for other things like a roof box or bicycles or whatever you need for your holiday.